rap in person. I seen it on IG. What's good, my royalty family? Outside with the family at a car meet. There's not a lot of cars out here, but I'm gonna try to get y'all the best content ever, just like always. It's also shout out to Daytona Queese. Fuck with your rap. But I'm gonna show y'all his car later. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so y'all don't hear me talking all day. Got the Mustangs out here.
I told my brother, I said, man, that Q is nice, but you better be careful with them damn coyotes now.
Got the light show. And that glare crazy. Cold air intake. Got the ladies. Got the ladies putting up in the stain. I'm not trying to lock. Nobody wants your shit.
You saying that on camera?
I know. We got the Honda Accord.
Accord, let's just get your car.
Pretty shut up. You and this talk about something. I wanted to do that, but they was like $700.
Oh, yeah. $700? They only put too much money.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure my car drives me.
But Pri, you know when you do that, you're doing it for car meets.
Yeah, well, they must got some good ass jobs.
Why wouldn't it be?
Why would it be?
The car?
Yeah.
That's a Corvette.
Yeah, it's a whole accent.
It didn't have an accent. He took it off.
Why?
Oh, make it lighter, I guess.
Put this shit back.
But that people do that. They take it off, or
That shit look broke.
it's not broke. He took it off.
You know, I thought it was broke too.
Yeah.
It's not broke. You can clearly see. Do that look like there was an accident?
Yes.
Then the thing in front would have been like bent up or something. But it look like he took it off himself.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's both of y'all.
It's not gonna be over exactly at 8. It's just here's the times. And you know, black people don't come no place early.
Hell no.
Doc, sitting in the crib, reflecting on my life, reflecting on last night, reflecting on what I did wrong and how to make it right, reflecting on consequences I face, I paid the price, reflecting on a whole lot of things, but I'm done with reflecting. I know the man in the mirror's not just my reflection. Time go by and in time you learn a few lessons. It took time for me to see that with time comes progression. Yeah, see I know all about the bottom, I'm from there, yeah. And I can't lie like I ain't complain when I was there, yeah. Traumatized by poverty like will it end, yeah. And I'm not up, but I know one day I get there. So I continue to grind and tell myself this: when you in the basement, you can only go upstairs. The sky is the limit, just see when you get there. The sky is the limit. I save my money for a rainy day, just to hit the plug to smoke the pain away. Lord knows I fell in love with him, Jay. I need her like every day, cause she know how to make my day. If I got her, I feel okay. Without her, I don't feel the same. I won't tell you I love you cause my feelings change. Battling temptation every other day. No relation to me fucking the bitch and trying to run away. Some hear the word temptation and instantly think about entertain. Like who I'm trying to entertain or like I'm cold-blooded, raised by sharks and got icy veins. Meanwhile I'm steady planning trips for us to get away. If I had the bread I'd probably get a rape. I'm down with monogamy, girl, that pussy all I wanna taste. And truth be told, shorty, your ring on the way. It's your decision to make whether you wanna leave or stay. Either or it could be arranged. Not trying to be rude, just got no time for games. I'm 24 years old, ain't got no time to waste. Look, I was just like 17 with hoop dreams. Before I went to college, turned 18. I probably had 18 friends that ain't let us see they 18. Played a few bitches, I know they hate me. But just like the bait, these bitches gon' chase me. Cause I don't do the chasing unless I'm drinking a drink. Usually smoke a face piece, that's just to get me to think. Off the wake and bake, please. Soon as I jump out the pink. Off the wake and bake, please. Soon as I jump out the, yeah. I was just like 17 with hoop dreams. Before I went to college, turned 18. I probably had 18 friends that ain't let us see they 18. Played a few bitches, I know they hate me. But just like the bait, these bitches gon' chase me. Cause I don't do the chasing unless I'm drinking a drink. Usually smoke a face piece, that's just to get me to think. Off the wake and bake, please. Soon as I jump out the pink. Off the wake and bake, please. Yeah. What you know about getting gentrified out your house and having to go live with your brother and having to sleep on the couch? The mud, but I got it out. I was unemployed and I had just lost my house. I started off with a dime and then worked my way back to an ounce. Yeah, no drugs involved, I'm just talking progression. That's for anybody listening that just ain't get the message. I look in the mirror, see the realest and no second guessing. Some look in the mirror, see a victim and scout for protection. Learning something from it, what a lesson. Do these streets go and pressure you? Don't let it get the best of you, nah. They say keep the ones who heard you when you never said a word. Speaking of words, just know your actions speak way.
Got the Honda. I wanted to see this rap in person. I seen it on IG. So how was the car meet?
It was cool. It was unique.
I liked it.
A lot of nice cars.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment,
subscribe. Support if you love God. Support LaQueezy. Behind the
That's
camera,
not my
Shady.
name, Deirdre.
Support King Hemi 973.
No, that's not my name either. If y'all would actually support the channel. Y'all see they don't actually
King
support my
Sosa.
channel. No, it's not.
His YouTube is
But get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. I like this. I'm going to do this when I get my car. When I get a Charger, I'm going to do this and do the same thing. But shout out to Loud Hemi Pat. This is dope, brother.
What's your YouTube name?
But, yes. But hopefully y'all enjoy the content. We about to go ahead and leave because these people don't support me.
I do support you. I'm a liar.
But like I say every time before I end the video, supporting is free 99. It don't cost them a dime, but they still don't support, even though it's free.
I watch all your videos. I watch all his videos.
Yeah, how about what? Busted.
Not too much.
But we out, guys.